Welcome to a journey towards online success where we unravel the secrets of finding your very own niche gold mine. In the vast digital landscape, the right niche is like striking gold. A niche gold mine is not just about selecting a profitable niche, it's about aligning passion, skills, and market demand to create a unique value proposition. It's about building a thriving online business that reflects you. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this gold mine to discover the treasure within. Ever wondered why some businesses thrive online while others struggle? The answer lies in finding the right niche. It's like having a compass in the vast digital wilderness. A well-chosen niche acts as a beacon, attracting those who are specifically seeking what you offer. It's not just about selling a product or a service, it's about providing a unique solution that resonates with a particular group of people. Having a targeted niche means you're not trying to be everything to everyone. Instead, you're focusing on a specific audience with specific needs. This concentrated approach leads to a more engaged audience, higher conversion rates, and ultimately, a more successful business. It's about quality, not quantity. Think of your niche as the cornerstone of your online empire. It's the first step in building a business that not only survives but thrives in the digital marketplace. By finding your unique niche, you can create a strong foundation for your online success. The first step to finding your niche goldmine is understanding yourself. It's about aligning your business with your personal passions. Why? Because when you're passionate about your niche, you're more likely to persevere when challenges arise. You're more likely to invest the time and energy required to truly understand your market and deliver something of value. But how do you discover these passions or interests? A great place to start is by asking yourself what you love doing in your free time. What are the topics you can talk about for hours? What are the areas where you naturally excel? This self-discovery journey may lead to unexpected treasures. It's also a good idea to jot down your thoughts and reflections. They can provide valuable insights that may help you find your perfect niche. And remember, your passion could be the key to unlock your niche goldmine. Once you've identified your interests, it's time to see if the market is interested too. You see, the most successful digital entrepreneurs don't just choose a niche because they love it. They also make sure that their chosen niche has a high market demand. So how do we determine market demand? It's simple. You can use various online tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, or social media analytics to see what people are talking about, what they're searching for, and what's trending. You can also check out online marketplaces and forums to see what people are buying and discussing. Assessing the profitability of your niche is also crucial. You want to ensure that there's not just interest, but that people are willing to spend money in your niche. You can do this by looking at advertising spend, product pricing, and affiliate marketing opportunities in your niche. With the right tools, you can gauge the market pulse and find a niche that people are hungry for. Now that we've identified potential niches, let's see where your skills and expertise fit in. This is about more than just finding a profitable niche. It's about finding a niche where you can truly excel. Think about it. What are your unique skills? What areas of knowledge do you have a deep understanding of? What experiences have you had that could add value to a specific niche? In the world of digital entrepreneurship, your unique value proposition is crucial. It's what sets you apart from the competition. It's what gives your audience a reason to choose you over others. It's what makes you, you. So take a moment to assess your skills and expertise. Understand how they align with your potential niche. Identify areas where your unique knowledge can provide a fresh perspective or solve a problem. Remember, your unique skills and expertise are what sets you apart in your niche. Striking the right balance between passion and profit is the secret to a sustainable online business. It's like a tightrope walk. On one side, you've got your passion, the things that light you up and make you want to jump out of bed in the morning. On the other side, there's profit, the financial return that keeps your business afloat. The key is to find a sweet spot where these two intersect. You see, when you love what you do, it shines through in your work, attracting customers and fostering loyalty. But passion alone won't pay the bills. Your niche needs to be profitable too. It needs to have enough demand to support your business, and ideally, it should be something people are willing to pay for. So, how do you find this sweet spot? Start by listing your passions. Then, research potential markets for these interests. Look for overlap, places where your passion meets market demand. When passion meets profit, that's when you hit the sweet spot in your niche goldmine. We've covered a lot of ground today, from discovering your passions to validating your chosen niche. We started by emphasizing the critical role of selecting the right niche for your online success. Remember, a targeted niche isn't just about profitability, it's also about building an engaged audience that resonates with your product or service. We then delved into the importance of aligning your business with your personal passions and interests. It's all about marrying what you love with what the market needs. We also explored tools and strategies to assess market demand and profitability, ensuring your niche isn't just a passion project but a lucrative venture. We talked about your unique value proposition, how your skills and expertise can make a difference in your chosen niche. And yes, finding the balance between passion and profit is essential. The key is to align personal interests with market demand for optimal results. So now what's next? It's time for you to narrow down your options, validate your chosen niche, and create a business plan tailored specifically for your niche. Establish a strong online presence, leverage social media, and explore different monetization methods. Stay agile, adapt to the changing landscape, and keep evolving with trends. Remember, your niche goldmine is waiting for you. So go ahead, dig in and start building your path to online success.